Good shot.
Did I get the backer on that? There's somebody tearing it up over there. Okay. Here's this one I owe you. Videotape what we're shooting at, babe.
That's do you not see me pivoting?
Nope.
Well, that's because you're shooting.
Paying attention to what we're shooting at.
Well, I'm paying attention to what. You shut up. You shoot that. I'll shoot with this.
Here we go. Ready? Yeah.
These would come out really better if I had that nice Nikon that I want for my birthday.
Drop one. Got a hole in my pocket. Alright. Alright. Comes the quail shot. Alright. Nice fucking shot. Nice.
Did you get it?
Hell yeah, I got it. I own another quail. See that fucker split off? That was a good backer for you. If I'd have been on it, I would have got it back myself. Oh, we got clays already? Got one box. Oh shit. I guess 2 boxes was a good idea, wasn't it? Oh yeah, not this week, but the following week, ain't nobody getting no money. Fuck. You going to shoot? Oh yeah. Is this your quail? Yep. Alright. Oh shit. Nice backer there, Chaz. Ready? Chaz's quail? Yep. Rabbit. Nice. I'll figure a rabbit out here in a minute for you. Oh, that ain't gonna work.